Did you know that you can have your WhatsApp running on 3 or more devices? Yes. If this is the first time, kindly stay glued and watch till the end. This video is going to be beneficial to you, especially those who are in an unhealthy relationship. But kindly know this video is for educative purposes, okay? Nothing more, nothing less. Educative and entertainment purposes. So basically, you can have or you can spy on your friends what's like WhatsApp on another device without their knowing or without they knowing. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to go about this, and I'm also going to teach you how you can check if someone has done this to you, if someone is spying on you privately. So all you have to do, and especially those of us that we are on Android and want to move to iPhone and WhatsApp is the main problem, you don't have to switch phone, like you don't have to download WhatsApp, and no, you just have to link your iPhone to your Android phone, which is the primary WhatsApp, and you are going to get WhatsApp on the iPhone as well. So both ways you can chat on the Android and you can also chat on the iPhone. And this is very beneficial looking at the current situation in Ghana, the doom so if you're having two phones, you don't have to worry. If one goes off, you can still access your WhatsApp on the other phone, which is very, very beneficial. You can even link your laptop to it, and you can also access your WhatsApp on your laptop. So for me, I have WhatsApp on my phone, like two phones and my laptop. Okay. So anywhere I find myself, I can still access my WhatsApp. So how do you do this? All you have to do is download WhatsApp on your primary phone. So when you download WhatsApp, let me show you. So after downloading WhatsApp, you just open to the primary phone, okay? And when you open, this is how it's going to look like, okay? It's going to look like this, with you telling you to what? Sign, agree, and continue. So you tap agree and continue, okay? When you tap agree and continue, it will go to it will come here where you be asked to enter your mobile phone number and everything. Okay. So at the left extreme right corner, you will see three dots over there. You just tap on the three dots and you see the written link device, link as companion device. You just tap on it. So when you tap on it, it will come here to give you a write up. Okay. So the write up, all you have to do is just go to your primary WhatsApp device. When you open your primary WhatsApp device, you go to the three dots over there. You just tap on it. There is a section where they've written link device. So you just tap on the link device, and automatically it's going to ask you to scan the QR code on the new device you want to link to your WhatsApp. So when you scan, automatically all your messages, every message you have will be loaded on the new device. And initially it wasn't working for WhatsApp business, but currently as we speak now, if you're on WhatsApp business, this is WhatsApp business. I use WhatsApp business as my primary WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp business, and it's working currently on WhatsApp business. So there is no two ways about that. It's working on WhatsApp business. So guys, this video is for informative and entertainment purposes, as I said earlier on. So with this, you can link 4 devices. It's written over there. You can link 4 devices to your primary WhatsApp. So your laptop, your phones, and it's going to be beneficial. And if you're having a sibling, you want to check up on your sibling, especially if they are underage, you can also do same. Parents, especially parents who their children, get proper, you can do same. It's simple as that. But please use it for good reasons. Use it for good reasons. Don't use it to spy on your girlfriend, your boyfriend. Please use it for good reasons. I'm here to make life easier, simpler, and better the best way I can. So guys, kindly subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates like this, and you can know we have a switch in and everything. I thank you for tuning in. I'm more grateful than ever. Until then, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.